Hello travelers, today we are heading just 64 kilometers from Moscow to the serene village of Radonezh, nestled in the heart of the Sergiyev-Posad district. We'll cross the picturesque Posad River and make our way up to the Church of the Transfiguration, perched on a hilltop. At the base of the hill lies the sacred spring of St. Sergius of Radonezh. Get ready for a journey filled with history, tranquility, and natural beauty. Let's explore together. From the spot where I'm capturing this incredibly beautiful view, you'll find a priest's place cave. The menu is simple yet delightful, offering drinks like tea, coffee, and fruit juices, as well as chebureks, pastries, and a selection of 3-4 hot and cold dishes. I wasn't hungry at that time, so I didn't buy anything, but I really wanted to share with you the natural beauty and the peaceful atmosphere of St. Sergius of Radonezh spring. However, next time I'll definitely stop by the cave and try a couple of their pies and some fruit juice. There are 3 important facts about Radonezh. First, Radonezh is the place where St. Sergius born Bartholomew moved with his parents Kirill and Maria, boyars from Rostov-Veliki, and his 2 brothers Stefan and Peter. Second, the holy spring at the foot of the hill near Radonezh is believed to have healing properties. Third, Radonezh has been an important pilgrimage site for centuries, drawing followers of St. Sergius. The tranquil surroundings combined with the profound spiritual significance of the area make it an ideal place for reflection and prayer, connecting visitors to the deep history of the Russian Orthodox Church. As I walked down the holy spring, I couldn't help but notice not only the water wheel in the distance, but also a small table with chairs at the cave. I can imagine how wonderful it must be to witness the sunsets and sunrises while sitting at the table, enjoying a cup of juice or a fruit beverage with a pie. I'm slowing down the footage a bit, so you can only not to see the natural Morse sign. Morse is a non-alcoholic drink made from fruits or berries, but also experience the tranquility of this place with me. I decided to take a freeze-frame shot so you could get a better look at the water wheel, as well as have another look at the wooden staircase, and of course I couldn't pass by this little lantern. Imagine how beautifully it lights up the area in the evening. I'm walking slowly towards the water wheel, taking my time to absorb every detail. As I approach, I begin recording the natural sounds around me, the gentle splashes of water as it moves through the wheel. These simple, soothing sounds add to the already calm atmosphere, creating a sense of complete tranquility. It's as if the world has slowed down here, leaving nothing but nature and time to enjoy. Standing by the wheel, the sound of water is rhythmic and peaceful. The breeze whispers through the trees, and you can almost feel the history of this place in the air. Everything seems to be in perfect harmony. The water wheel turning slowly and steadily. I am ready to welcome you in the wonderful village of Radonezh. It was founded by the dweller of the city of Novgorod, Radonezh. On my channel, we are not just walking and sightseeing, we are exploring the places that are far away from the cities and the bustling city life. Let's continue our journey. On the left, you can see the holy spring. We are heading right toward the baptismal pool. The pool is meant for ritual cleansing. Immersion in the pool is considered as an act of purification and spiritual strengthening. As I got closer to the pool, I noticed another one across from me. Then my attention shifted to the surrounding nature. I'm so grateful to be here, surrounded by such natural beauty. If you ever find yourself in Radonezh, be sure to visit this place. It's the perfect spot to reconnect with yourself and nature, to escape from the noise and simply be. Here is the second baptismal pool just right in front of us. Ducks are sleeping, so I think we should make them wake up. Let them just rest. According to church tradition, this holy spring grants the blessed waters to all, and the locals believe that through the prayers of Saint Sergius, healing takes place. Let's just enjoy seeing this peaceful landscape and this wonderful church on the background. The water here is soft but icy cold, and the spring itself is composed of several small streams that come together as one. This place is not only for spiritual cleansing, but also for physical purification. The locals and pilgrims who visit this place truly believe that the holy spring has healing powers. For me, this place has become not just a spiritual heaven, but also a true corner of nature where you can purify yourself and simply enjoy the beauty and silence. It is truly the unique place that leaves no one indifferent. We are finally getting closer to the most interesting and probably the most anticipated place of today's walk, the Holy Spring. There are almost no people here. It's the perfect moment to explore calmly, to enjoy everything without rush, without noise, just the occasional quiet voice and the sound of nature. The spring itself is a neat little area, decorated with stone and icons on the walls. From its foundation, you can see the two metal pipes. That's where people collect the water. The same water that is believed to have healing powers. The water is icy cold. And everything around freezes for a moment. It is a truly beautiful, atmospheric place. You can feel a special energy here. Even your voice naturally becomes quieter. Honestly, even just rinsing your hands with this water, you feel fresh, awake, and watching people carefully filling bottles. You understand everything here is real, simple, and sincere. No show, no pretense. But friends, it's not only the spring that deserves attention. Look around. As evening slowly falls on Radonezh, the landscape becomes even more beautiful. The air fills with gentle evening coolness. The sun sinks lower, painting the sky with soft golden and pink tones. The trees seem to glow from within. The tall grass quietly rustles in the breeze. It feels like the whole world is pausing for a moment, waiting for the night to come. And simply enjoy the view. It is in moments like this that you realize how valuable small journeys can be, leaving behind the city noise, the rush, the endless worries. And suddenly, everything feels different. It's like nature itself whispers to you, slow down, breathe, look around. And truly, that's why we go on these little adventures, whether it's faraway countries or place like Radonezh, so close to home. and yet so special. I climb the hill trying to keep a moderate pace, of course, and not to get tired. And I enjoy the surrounding nature and the evening that is about to come. Walking on flat surface instead of climbing a hill feels unusual. I'm slightly out of breath, but I feel filled not only with physical energy, but also with emotional energy. I'm ready for new journeys and walks. I hope you enjoyed this short one-day trip to Radonezh as well. So that brings us to the end of my one-day trip here. You know, it's interesting, sometimes you travel far to find new places, but right outside your own city, there are little hidden corners like this, just waiting to be explored. Radonezh may be small, but it feels like it's frozen in time. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to Radonezh. I hope you've enjoyed these peaceful landscapes and rich history as much as I did. It's truly the special place that offers both serenity and beauty. If you found this trip inspiring, feel free to share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you like this video, you know what to do. And, of course, if you are looking for more adventures, don't forget to stay tuned for what's next. Until next time, take care and keep exploring!